Hello YouTube, welcome back to our new tutorial. I hope the last tutorial was quite informative. If you liked it, share with your friends and classmates. So in this video, I will be telling you about different operations performed in CATiA. So let's get started. So quickly start the app. In last video, I have explained you about the profile toolbar. And in this video, we will discuss about operation toolbar. So the first option in toolbar is corner. So it is used to give a curve at a corner of two lines. So the two lines are selected and then they form a curve at corner. So the next option in operation toolbar is chamfer. This task shows how to create a chamfer between two lines. This option is same as of corner. The basic difference between corner and chamfer is in corner there is curved surface and in chamfer there is a straight line. And the next option in toolbar is relimitation operations. A sub toolbar can be opened by double clicking the downwards arrow. So the first operation in the sub toolbar is trimming element. The task shows how to trim two lines. Select the first line. The selected element is highlighted. Point the cursor on the element to be trimmed. Second element also get highlighted and both lines got trimmed. If you position the cursor on the same first element, it will be trimming at the location of second position. The trimming position depends upon the cursor position. Next option is breaking element. This is used to break a curve into two parts. Just select the element and then select the breaking operation. Then select the point on a curve and then any point outside the curve. It will make two parts of the body through these 2 points. You can use this operation for any curve except composite curves. The next operation is trimming or eraser. To demonstrate it, we are making some figure over here. Then select the trimming operation and select the part which you want to delete or trim. You can see the video how edges are deleted. So the next operation is closing element. It is used to close the curve which is open through any point. For example, when we are making drawing, there are many situations when we want to close the curve. So this operation can be used to close the curve. Simply select the curve and then select the operation. The curve will close automatically. So the next operation is complement. As the name suggests, it makes the complement of the curve. So to use it, just select a curve and then select the complement operation and then you will see that the complement of the figure is made. So now we have completed all the features of relimitation operations. So now the other sub toolbar comes named transformation operations. As the name suggests, in this we will copy transfer the object. So the first option is mirror. To demonstrate it, let us make some figure. Select the portion of the figure which you want to mirror. After selecting it, select the axis through which you want to do mirror. As you will select the axis, the same mirrored object is made on the opposite side. There is one more option like mirror in which the initial selected object got deleted and only a mirrored object is left. And the next option is translating element. In this, we can select any object and then the number of times we want to repeat it. Then select the point through which you want to repeat it. And then just by entering the distance between all the element, we can copy the particular object. So basically, we are transferring n number of objects through a particular distance. Next operation is rotate command. So this command I will be explaining you by giving an example. Let us suppose you have to design a watch. In a watch, you want to embed stones in it. So what you will do, just design one stone in it and then select it and use rotate command. Also tell the number of times you want to repeat it. In this case, we want to repeat it 12 times. But remember, enter 11 in the dialog box because you have designed one stone earlier. Also specify the angle between them, which will be 30 degrees. So the next command in the option is scaling. Simply, the name suggests we can do the scaling of the object. We can enlarge the object or make it small by just selecting the scale. You may delete the initial object by selecting the duplicate option in the command window. Then comes the offset command in the toolbar. It just offset any line or any curve through a particular distance. The thing which you have to remember is that when you want to offset upwards, use positive value, and when you want to offset downwards, you have to enter a negative value. It works just by selecting a line or curve and then giving a particular distance to be offset. You may also enter the number of times you want to offset. And the last option in operation toolbar is project 3D element. This option is used when you are making a solid object and you want a reference on other solid object. So here we complete all the features in the operation toolbar, and now we can move to part design. Thanks for watching, guys. If you are having any problem or any query, just comment below. Do share the content with your friends and with your classmates. Thank you.